Today I'm making my grilled shark over mixed vegetables. First, cut the shark into 3 even portions, about 6 ounces each. Now in a bowl, add the honey, the ginger, the salt, cumin, and the lemon juice. Then whisk all the ingredients together. Now brush the marinade on both sides of the shark and let it sit for about 10 minutes to marinate. Oil the griddle over medium heat. Place the shark on the griddle. Brush with the marinade and cook for 2 minutes. Turn the shark to reposition it. Brush with a little more marinade and cook for 2 more minutes. Flip the shark and repeat the process.